YouTube, strategic entrepreneur stopping by again. I love that y'all subscribing to the channel, liking these videos. Definitely appreciate that. But look, let's get to the nitty gritty of what's going on in crypto right now. Bro, a lot of these people are taking their profits. A lot of these companies are taking their money. Why not take your profit? I'm seeing a lot of people, especially with XRP right now. The price was at like 224 before I got on here. Literally. Bro, in XRP, they're taking their profits. I'm not even mad at that. That's for people who are doing quick term trading. There's nothing wrong with that. But guess what? It's people like me that's going to be in this for the long term. I may be holding this for 5 more years, 10 more years. I'm in it for the long haul to make big money. I see that's how people get shook out and said, man, crypto wasn't doing anything. Crypto's not for me. I heard it all. I see people, I don't know if they haters or what. I'm trying to get to the nitty gritty of that. I'm seeing people talking about time y'all sell that mess. What's the difference in you owning Bitcoin? What's you owning any of the stuff? It's an investment at the end of the day. So don't let these people fool you and try to manipulate you to sell your cryptos, any of them. If you knew this was a long-term trade, cool. If you knew this was a short-term trade, that's what most people need to figure out at the instance. I've got an XRP when it was 50-some cent, 40-some cent. My dollar cost average right now is like 62 cent, and that's because it's up right now. But if you're going to be a smart person, smart investor, guess what? You can buy it when it gets to $2 of XRP. If it hits $1.80, $1.60, I would buy more. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. This is my journey. But I see how people can get shook out the market easy. It's been red everywhere. Even Bitcoin was at 89K. How many people are really going to complain about that at 89K? If you would have got this 3 to 4 years ago, it's still at all-time highs. It's a lot of people, you may see red, but they're still at their all-time highs because guess what? You got into these coins early. If you can't get into these coins early, that's going to be the part that's going to mess you up, especially FOMO. I've seen people, if you know on this one, when Dogecoin had its popularity, everybody was going to buy it. Dogecoin literally went up to like, last time I remember, it went to like the 50-some cent. Where are those people at now? Are they still holding that bag? What is going on? When did you get in? Did you actually know how to invest in crypto? Me personally, to separate it from the stock market, yo, crypto, especially Solana right now, I bought Solana at $189. Cool, I'm fine with that. Did I know it's gonna go back to 130? You know it just by looking at the chart. That's literally where I seen it at when I seen it take off, and I'm like, damn, I should have got that. So I sold some profit, got into that. I'm with the staking rewards mainly, so you understand. I'm trying to get the cash flow out of Solana. And it's a good crypto. It's one of the top 5 cryptos to own, especially for memes. And I'm like, okay, it's back to 139. This shows you they can't manipulate me. It can go back up in 2 days. It could go back up in 2 months. It doesn't matter when you're buying a good deal. Long as the price is good buying points, it's not going to matter. Your strategy is what matters the most. It's not the price. That matters too, but it's really your momentum in buying it. That's what people are getting it confused at. What are you buying it for? Who's using these coins? Because it's easy to see the rug pulls on these. I'm seeing rappers getting meme coins. Especially in the last, I haven't even posted in a couple of days now. Rick Ross got a coin. I seen Adam 22 try to do a coin. Moneybag Yo's coming with a coin. Even Donald Trump dropped his coin. I don't even want Donald Trump's coin because you have not showed me any results. You just showed me what you IPO'd at in the stock terms. You just showed me what you came out at $6 and you ran it up. Okay, what happened in 2 months? You did nothing. And that's been a so-called new coin on the market. That's how the manipulation will get y'all. And you'll hear Trump has got a coin. I missed out on that money. Believe me, it's going to be way more coins to come out. And you can be a part of their communities and stuff. And that's when you start to get a part of these communities, you'll understand how these coins are really building up to be where they're at. Especially the XRP communities, the Toshi community, really all of them. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin had to do the same thing to get to this point. But at the end of the day, I had to start looking at when Bitcoin is up, the market is up. When Bitcoin is down, the market is down. So if the grandpa OG coin is going through this phase, what makes you think your coins are not going to do the same thing? Are you in this? Literally, my main thing of this video is, are you in this for long term? A lot of people think they can be in this. If you're trying to get rich in crypto in 6 months to a year, could it happen? Yeah. Is it likely to happen? No. You have to actually put in the work and actually get the skills. This is really still a skill game. It's not I'm going to get lucky. You know what I mean? I'm not, no. I've seen people be in this for 4 years and they finally strike gold. That's why I say I'm more worried about my cash flow. Why these cryptos are down, let me load up some more Solana for my staking rewards. Even my Polkadot. I had to figure out why people didn't like Polkadot. Because when you see it at $6 range, $7 range, $8 range, that's a high. Right now, Polkadot is at, this just telling you what's going on. It's at like $4.50. That's a great buy, and with the staking rewards. So when it goes back up to $6 to $9, that's profit. That's literally how you profit in this game, but a lot of people don't know when. You can't time it. I love when people say, where is their crystal ball at? Nobody has a crystal ball. These are predictions. Nobody knows what the market is going to do in 2 years. Like with the stock market right now, nobody knew when the time it was going to come for the correction, when people were going to start taking their money out. And it all happened at the same time, as you notice. Everybody just started taking their profit. I can't knock it. This just shows me it's another cycle. Can you get through the cycle? Are you ready to force yourself through it? A lot of people are not going to force themselves through it and just give it. Honestly, it's way more people that give up, especially in this entrepreneur space. Like they said, the 1%, only 10%, 8% actually make it as entrepreneurs. Out of 100%, only 8% and only 1% actually, get rich. Hold on. These ratios aren't good, but my thing is, who is willing to stay down for this stuff? If you can't stay down for your come up, you won't get rich in this. You'll see a lot of these crypto gurus. It's cool. I respect it. Bro, look at the timeline that they say they've been in crypto. It's a lot of people 4 years to 6 years right now. That's what I'm seeing. 4 to 6 years. Especially, I'd rather listen to somebody that say they've been in crypto since 2017. Why? They seen the ups, the downs, when to take profit. When I'm seeing it's called altcoin season. I had to learn this. If it's altcoin season, does that mean next season it could have, just think about football terms. Just because you had a good season last year does not mean you're going to have a good season last year. Not everything plays out, but it can get played out. It's not guaranteed your altcoin will be going back to its all-time high when it comes around, but you would have to be in the crypto to notice. Not I'm just look at the all-time highs. My thing is with XRP, what is this coin being used for? Litecoin. That's why I sold my Dogecoin for Litecoin. I'm like, dang, financial institutions are using this. Banks are trying to use these. That's where the money's got. The money's gonna get made with transactions. Like if you look at how Robinhood company, I remember owning the company, and I didn't understand when I was buying stock there. I didn't understand it's a new company. I didn't know, like I said, I didn't know you in 2018 it was no such thing as I'm gonna spend $20. It was no such thing you had to buy a whole share or get nothing. Now Robinhood made their money with transactions. That's the only reason. Coinbase literally crypto. How you think they're making them? And I was into that stock. I didn't know though. This stuff is new. Okay, but now I know to adapt to these things even more. Just because you can't see it right now, you can't see it 5 years from now, but you got to have the trust in the process and the faith with these things. If you can't do that, I promise the first thing you're going to hear people say is, I quit. That doesn't work over here with me. I'm telling you, if y'all can't see it now, that don't work. Because what more coins out here? What are you doing wrong? Honestly, most people in real life, they would not say what they're doing wrong in real life and admit the truth to that. That's why a lot of us don't make it to these next levels. Once you start admitting the truth, what am I doing wrong? Am I crypto? Do you understand what's going on? That's when you start making money. But appreciate y'all for subscribing, liking the video. Go and leave some comments. What coin are you watching right now?